cool restaurants around the world. Do you like trying new restaurants? Here are some amazing ideas for a really great experience. Ithaa Undersea Restaurant. Ithaa is the world's first undersea restaurant. It is about 5 meters below the sea and has fantastic views because it has glass walls. You can sometimes see sharks. Visitors go to a small building and climb down some stairs to the restaurant. It is a really cool place to eat for up to 14 people. The restaurant serves 6 courses at night and 4 courses at lunchtime. It is great for really fresh fish and seafood, but they also serve meat dishes. And the desserts are delicious too. A meal costs from €90 to €200, but it is worth it. Dinner in the Sky. Dinner in the Sky organises meals in 40 countries and the food is different in each place. In Hungary, for example, you can have traditional dishes like halászlé, fish soup, or pancakes with meat. In Spain, you can have paella, a traditional dish of rice with seafood. You choose a city and a menu and then Dinner in the Sky takes you 50 meters up in the sky for your meal. It is very expensive, about €30,000 for 22 people, but it is a wonderful experience. It does not matter how old you are, but you need to be at least 150 centimeters tall if you want to eat there. Baggers. There are 12 chefs at this restaurant, but there are not any waiters. You order your food from touch-screen computers at the table. The kitchens are upstairs. The food comes to the table along long metal tracks. The food is very healthy because the chefs use only fresh local ingredients and very little fat. There are vegetarian dishes if you do not eat meat. Main courses are around €10 to €20 and desserts €5 to €7. Try the grilled pork with mushroom sauce or the spicy sausage, it has a hot, strong taste. And after your meal, you can rate the food and the experience from your touch screen.